Oh, I was going to shine the construction light on there, but it's not showing up on the video camera very well. But, you know, I'm just going, and when you think you have them all, just feel your hand around and go some more. Hey, how do you eat an elephant? I keep asking you, one bite at a time. Right? It's like pulling teeth. See, I didn't see that one, but I felt it. Just keep her going. Oh, there's where. Just grab it and twist. I like to go that way, so that's why I'm going this direction. If I was left-handed, I'd probably come down the other way if the staples were this way. But if I saw the staples facing that way, I would turn around and do it because I like to do it with my right hand easier than my left. Just find a way that makes it easy for you so that you can just keep going, just like the Energizer Bunny. You know? See, not all the staples came out when I was pulling it out, did it? Okay, so I'll keep at it, get my tunes back on. I don't generally play my music in the background or anything because then YouTube won't monetize my different video clips. They'll say, oh, copyright infringement. So, you know, I have it on Pandora, and I do classic rock stories, and they tell stories, and then they do the singing and stuff. And I like that, but you know, pick out whatever you want and just keep her going. I'm resting as I'm working. Yeah, my knee's getting a little sore, but the rest of me is working out just fine, and it's giving me a little rest. And then once I do this, all the staples, then I'll sweep up all the staples, then I'll pull the paper and then sweep up again. Okay, keep her going. Well, that's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.